Nyama.
Let me see it.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
You just wanted to give me something, don't you? Oh, look, you ain't sitting down, man. Nah, I'm not about you here, yeah. You don't want your dad to tickle you? You tickle me like your dad? Let's go. Where Kane get? They said, come here, Kane. They ain't right here, y'all.
We not cool.
Yeah, we cool, bro. Oh, hit him, baby. Hit him.
We not cool.
Hit him. Snatch his lip like you snatch mine.
Is we cool?
Snatch his lip like you snatch mine, man. You ain't gonna snatch his lip when you snatch your dad's lip.
Sneeze.
This. Look how she gonna stand back there. She is not gonna let me sit her down.
It's like she fit up.
Yeah, like she's stiffening up. Like you don't want nothing. Don't throw up on your daddy now. Do not throw up on your daddy. Not your daddy. You already got me twice. You gotta get somebody else, man. Huh? No, she already threw up on me twice. You want her to throw up on me a lot? Yeah, she beat me up, y'all. Oh, you headbutt your daddy. No, can't eat that. Yeah, she alert.
So what?
She want to see everything that's going on around her.
So.
She all over her fingers. What her teeth there, Spike? Why you like them fingers? She don't like it? She like them things too. Ooh, that stinking. Oh, Mama, you might not want that. That's gonna make your breath stinking, Mama.
Oh my God. The apple.
Baby food, baby milk, all this stinking.
You used to eat it. So.
Come on, Mama. Let me see. You right there. Ooh, it nasty thing in the morning.
You know it's mine. Tasting it.
It's nasty thing in the morning. It's nasty thing.
No.
She just feeling it.
Yeah.
Blink twice if it's nasty, mom. Yeah. No, she just tried that banana. No, it's not. It dissolved.
Her mouth is juicy.
Ugh! And you gonna sit up there and try it first.
It's too hard for her.
You beat it, of course. Watch her eat it.
Alright.
It's just her face expression when she eat nasty stuff.
It's
I don't like it.
She's tasting it for the first time.
I don't like
It was not nasty.
No, it's not too big. She been eating them.
Look,
I just don't like her face expression.
tell her give it to you. Yeah. I know.
Look at her face. It's gonna dissolve quick. Yeah, I'm not.
She don't like it.
That's what I said. But she don't eat it though. She be wanting some more. I just don't like her face. Cause if I don't want it, my face gonna show.
Look at her face. She tastes it. We had the banana.
I think she would have spit it out if she didn't like it the second time.
Good?
When last time she had a bomb? I'm gonna lift you up like a Lion King.
Your sister picture gonna be so cute, girl.
No, because she's gonna get ready to throw up in a minute. She got me 3 times.
You know you got the hour 73, that's why you sleep.
I thought it was because I was still. Hold on.
73.
Go turn around. King all in the business, y'all. Your PC still broke. And you ain't bought now another joint yet. You know how to ride that skateboard?
Say hey, Nani. Hey, y'all. Say hey. Make you put on the back.
Pat on the back.
Beauty.
You want me to pat on the back?
No, I said the music.
What music?
No, you turn it back on.
Just anything? Do you know what this is?
Why you acting like I don't know no music?
No, do you know what this is?
No.
Let me start over. Matter of fact, let me bring the speaker closer.
Say hey, Nani. Hey. My bad, we was talking, y'all. That's why I had it muted. We was talking. Oh my God.
Listen,
Oh
baby,
my
listen.
God.
Hey, we got it here today. Witness the front of
I don't know this song.
Listen.
Fine
A
gentlemen.
fine gentleman.
You gotta be from Memphis to know that. You gotta be from
Lord have mercy, I did say
No, can you know the song?
Yeah, Katie knows. Katie knows all the songs I know.
I don't know this.
And she slick bucket. I promise to God, you for real.
That's great.
It's about time she throw up anyway.
But check it. Enough of the small talk
Hey,
about the
Bruce.
trick we got. And I drink. It's all about.
She looks scared.
It's an orange mouth. Y'all brothers call it till it's safe.
I got that on live on me. Pause. Let me play something else until you.
She my twin, not his.
Can you play
That's my twin.
Can you
You
play?
a hater.
She really my twin.
Can you play
Got it.
Came from my side.
What?
But buds.
I've been
But buds.
On the slush.
Y'all.
can't admit that
Y'all
I'm
tapping
marijuana
for
junkie.
Thanks for tuning in.